Hello students, I am the science teacher of Manmohan Prasad Public School. Now today I am going to teach the topic of class 12 related to physics, and the topic is electrostatics. Previously we have told you that what is force, what is electric field, what is a scalar quantity, what is a vector quantity, and what are the examples of it. Now today we are going to deal a numerical with related to electrostatics. Now this is a square in which we have four vertices A, B, C and D. The charges kept at A vertices is plus Q, at B it is plus 2Q, at C it is plus 3Q, and at D it is plus 4Q. The distance of the square or the charges is 10 meter. Okay, so now we have to calculate the net resultant force at D. Now first of all, read the question. Calculate the force at D if the charges plus Q, plus 2Q, plus 3Q and plus 4Q are kept at the vertex of square having A, B, C, D, and the distance of the side is 10 meters. Now to calculate the force at D, firstly we would take the force at D due to A. Now as you can see that both the charges are positive, so there will be a repulsive force. So the distance between the charges is this, and the plus 4Q and plus Q charges are kept at D and A vertices. So we will be applying the formula of force as we have studied in the previous class, that the formula for force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. So here first we can take Q1 is equal to plus Q, Q2 is equal to plus 4Q, and the distance between them is 10 meters. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4Q square divided by A square. Similarly, we can calculate the force on D due to C, and similarly we can calculate the force on D due to B. Now the distance between D and B is root 2A. So the distance, on squaring the distance, we will get 2A square, and the charges as same as considered in this Q1 Q2, it will be varying depending on the values. Now the next, in detail, we are going to see that firstly we have to calculate the force on D due to C and force on D due to A. Now as you can see that here and here at D and at C we were having the positive charges, so there will be a repulsion along this direction, and now due to D and A the repulsive direction will be downwards. So between FDC and FDA there will be a resultant acting along this direction. So we will be calculating this from the figure 2, and the formula for the resultant is Fr is equal to under root FDC square plus FDA square. Now this will be the force on resultant, so the next figure will be like this, because we have also considered the force along DA and force due to DC. Now after calculating the force resultant, we will be calculating the force on D due to B, which is having the same value as this, and the force D due to B will be acting along this direction. Please consider that FD due to B is also considered in the previous case. You can rewind the video and then you can see that the forces of DC, forces of DA and forces of DB. So the net total force acting on this charge at D will be F total is equal to Fr plus FDB. Now the next video will be uploading in these two videos. Thank you.